Hello. Three common errors in Java and how to avoid them. This is what we will be talking about today, so come and watch. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a new episode of a new series, and in this series we'll be talking about errors in Java. Before we get started, let me share with you this code. Okay, so look at this code and let me know what you can find, what errors are there in this code. Okay, so write those in the comment section below, how many errors you can find, okay, and what are these errors. Good. So this is the first thing. I will leave this code in the description box, and then we'll talk about one by one and how to fix those errors. So good to go. Now, let me compile and build this project and let's see the errors. The first error we'll talk about is illegal start of expression. If we jump into this line, okay, and if you see this here, line number 18, as it says here, you see that? It's line number 18, it says there is an error. And it's very important to know how to interpret the errors that issued by the compiler. This is the first step that you need to know and the skill that you need to learn. So here is the first thing. It's saying this is line number 18 and this is the error. It's illegal start of expression. This can be caused by many things. In this problem, in this line, we have an extra parentheses, right? So this can cause this kind of problem. If I delete it and let's compile it again, and here we fix the first problem. You see that? The first problem is good and nothing wrong with it. Okay, let's say we have this statement. Okay, so if we run this statement again, if we compile it again, we'll see again this is another reason to see illegal start of expression. So this is an invalid expression, as you can see here. Here we have just J and then equals nothing semicolon. No sense, right? So instead, here the compiler is expecting another value, another variable to assign J to. So here, let's say it's 21. Let's say J21. And now if we compile it again, then we fix it. No more problems of illegal start of expression. So those can be caused by several reasons, and we talked about two of these reasons. One is the extra parentheses that we found in the if statement, and the other one is that we use the assignment here without assigning any value, and this can cause again illegal start of expression. Is there anything else, any other ways to see like these kinds of errors? Specifically this kind of error, the illegal start of expression? Yes. Let me show you here. So if I declare this as public integer j equals 0, okay, you see that? Line number 12 here. Line number 12. And let me compile it again. And let's see. Illegal start of expression, line number 12. You see that? This is not line number 12. And this is another thing. So we cannot use the access modifier inside the method. Okay? So this is the main method. And we are trying to use the access specifiers here. Public, private, protected. So this is not the correct one to be used. So if you have this kind of exception, this kind of error, then this is another reason to see like this problems. Okay, so here we talked about the first kind of error that can be caused by three reasons so far, as we covered in this example. Okay, is there any other kinds of problems that can cause this kind of error? yes, let me try this here. Let me show you here, this one. Let's say I missed this curly braces here. So if I compile it again here, illegal startup expression, right? It's here in line 26. This is unexpected for the compiler, and here is a declaration of a method that we want to work with, which is the sum here. So, and we are still inside the main method. So the problem here is that we missed the curly braces here, and this will fix the problem. So here are some of the reasons that may cause the problem of illegal start of expression. Okay, so this is number one. So do not forget to turn on the notification bell to be the first one receiving the newest videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.